Hello and welcome to the neo42 tutorials. Video 1. The installation of the Application Package Center. The neo42 management service must be installed in order to use the Application Package Depot. The Application Package Center plugin included in the management service serves as an administration level for the selection and distribution of software packages. Other MMS plugins, such as BitLocker Management, can be booked as an option. The following installation recommendations first. A server operating system should be used, as a service is set up during the installation process, which takes over various automations in the background. The system should run continuously. In addition, the system requirements of the management service should be carefully checked to ensure that the system meets the specified requirements.
To start the installation, the install server batch file must be started with administrative authorizations. The first query as to whether the WSUS plugin should be used by the neo42 management service can be confirmed with no. Confirm the second query as to whether the management service should be installed with yes. The Application Package Center requires a local storage pass for some tasks. This is created under the drive C/neo42. It may take a few minutes to start the server configurator. The server configurator is started, and you can continue with the endpoint registration. Endpoint registration is necessary to avoid having to enter credentials regularly. Registration gives the server permanent access to the Application Package Depot. To start the endpoint registration, press the tile once and enter the respective credentials once to register the server. The server registration is now complete. The Application Package Center uses a web-based console for administration. In order for this console to be loaded, the web server must be started in the background. The entire system is operated in a MongoDB. This MongoDB is backed up at regular intervals and stored in encrypted form. To decrypt the backups again, the password stored here must be saved. The use of a password management program is recommended. The web-based console is accessed via the HTTPS protocol. An appropriate certificate is required for this to work. During the installation of the Application Package Center, a small CA has already been started, a certificate issued and entered for this website. The certificate can be changed at any time afterwards using the server configurator. This makes it easy to access websites from other systems in the respective environment. We can work with different authorizations in the Application Package Center. To create the administrative account initially, it is necessary to copy the token that is required for the initial setup. The next step is to open the admin setup. The administrative account is stored at this point on the website, and the previously copied token is pasted. Once the administrative user has been stored, you can log into the Application Package Center with this account. After logging in, the dashboard opens. In order to be able to download new software packages, a corresponding bridge must first be configured to establish the connection to the distribution system. In this example, the bridge is configured for Empirum.
Video 2 explains the tenant configuration. If you have any questions about the Application Package Depot, please contact us or visit our neo42 community. Please find the link to the community in the video description.